Hi guys, today we are going to learn about transformation of graphs, which is quite important for GCSE and A levels. So today we are going to tell you about the basic questions and what are the fundamental concepts here. So let's start with our example. Okay, this is our example. If you see here, this is graph of y is equal to x square, and sometimes we call it fx as well. Fx means function of x. So we write down sometimes y is equal to fx. Fx is function of x and x square. So they all are same. So once we plot it proper GCSE way, we get this type of curve, and this is our quadratic curve. This is our quadratic curve. What happens if we plot y is equal to minus x square? Yeah, so it happens like this, and curves get reversed. Okay, so this is curve and it gets reversed. Yeah, so this is y is equal to minus x square, and this is fx is equal to x square curve. So let's see different aspects of the questions. Now, example 1. So our curve is y is equal to x square. So let's draw it. Y is equal to x square. So this is y is equal to x square curve, right? Now when it is saying x square plus 2, it means this curve is moving 2 units up towards y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So let's write down y-axis, x-axis. Okay, so yeah, I have done that. Now, so it means x square plus 2, this curve is moving 2 units up on the y-axis. So let's write down here x square plus 2. So this is moving 2 units up. When it is minus 2, it means same curve. This is our original curve, base curve. So it is moving now minus 2 units, yeah, down. So it is moving down, minus down plus up. Okay, when it is minus x square plus 1, it means shape will be this way, reverse of U shape, and it is moving plus unit up. So this is our plus unit. Okay, so let's write down 1, and minus x square, this curve will be going from here and here. So minus x square, reverse of U shape, and plus x square is U shape. Okay, this is basic difference. This is for plus and this is for minus x square. So let's write down minus x square, and this is for plus x square. Okay, this is basic difference. So let's move forward for the another bit. If y is equal to, it is like this, x minus 2 whole square. So what does it mean? Y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So first of all, see here, x is positive. It means curve will be U shape. Okay. Now, where curve is moving, up or down, left and right, when x function is in the bracket, it always move left and right. But where it is going to move? So let's try this way. So this x minus 2, if you put it equal to 0, we got x is equal to 2. 2 is positive. It means this curve is moving 2 units in positive direction. Yeah. So this was our original curve, y is equal to x square. Yeah. So this was our original curve, y is equal to x square. So let's write down here, y is equal to x square. Now when we are sketching, y is equal to x minus 2, so this is point 0. So it is moving 2 units right. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this blue color curve is our original curve. So this is x minus 2 whole square. Now, if question comes like this, y is equal to x plus 3 whole square. So no need to say, put x plus 3 is equal to 0. We got x is equal to minus 3. Now, we are going to sketch this graph. So you decide whether it is U shape or reverse of U shape. So yes, definitely it is U shape. Question comes why? So we can see here x is positive. Once you open, expand it, x square is positive. Yeah. So this is our original curve in black ink. So that is y is equal to x square. Now this graph is shifting 3 units right. So this is our 0 point, then this is -1, then this is -2, and then this is -3. And this blue graph, which is shifting here from -3. So it will go like this. So this is graph of x plus 3 whole square. Okay. Now, if we move forward, next question. Uh, so if y is equal to fx, okay, this is y is equal to fx, and fx is, let's take another example, 9 minus x square. Fx is 9 minus x square. Okay, so this is our example, and this is example. Okay, now y is equal to fx, that is 9 minus x square. So let's sketch it. So what we can do, 9 minus x, we know this rule, a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square, and that is equal to a minus b and a plus b. All right, so this thing we can write down 3 minus x and 3 plus x. Okay, so this is 3 minus x and 3 plus x. This, let's highlight this here. So 3 minus x and 3 plus x. Okay, so let's sketch this. 3 minus x and 3 plus x. So if you sketch it 3 minus x and 3 plus x, so definitely, because x is here negative, so you can see here x is negative. Let me circle it. You can see here x is negative. It means this graph will be reverse of U shape. Okay, a reverse of U shape. Now it will pass from, you can plot it from -3 to 3. So it will pass from -3 to 3. So let's sketch it. Okay, now what will be this value? So let's, if we put x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0, so in this equation x is equal to 0, in this equation, so we get 9 minus 0 square, that is 9. So this point's coordinate is 0 and 9. So we got fx 9 minus x square. Now I'm going to tell you very important thing. If they say what will be f of 2x, okay, what will be f of 2x? So you can see 2 is inside the bracket here. So whenever 2 is inside the bracket, divide x coordinate, divide x coordinate, I'm writing in short x coordinate by 2, and y unchanged. So y will be unchanged. So I'm writing capital unchanged. Let me rub this, unchanged. This is printing error. So unchanged. Yeah, unchanged. So y unchanged and divide x coordinate by 2. So this is rule. This is rule. When 2 is inside the bracket. So what will happen? Now new graph will be like this. Okay, so x coordinate divided by 2, it was -3 and 3, so it will be 1.5 this side, that is minus 1.5, and that is 1.5, and y coordinate remains unchanged. So minus 1.5. So let's sketch it like this. So see here, y remains same, 0 and 9, and x coordinates is divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, 1.5, minus 3 divided by 2, 1.5. So similarly, what happens when uh, question is, this is our question, 9 minus x square, and we know a sketch of this will be, this is minus 3 and this is plus 3, and it is going like this here. So it is going like this, minus 3 and this. So this is 0 and 9. Now I'm going to explain you when it is twice of fx. And what is fx here? This is fx. Fx is 9 minus x square. We are multiplying by 2. So in the previous question, 2 was inside. If you see here, 2 was inside here. You can see 2 is inside. Now in this question, 2 is outside. Then what we are going to do? Multiply y coordinate by 2. So 2fx. 2fx means multiply y coordinate, I'm writing it short, by 2. If it is 2, then multiply by 2. If it is 3, then multiply by 3. If it is 4, multiply by 4. And x remains unchanged. Okay, so x remains unchanged. Okay, so this is a rule. Yeah, so let's plot this. So if you see, we are going to plot here. So this is point, this is point. So minus 3 and 3 remain same, and this point, if y coordinate will be multiplied by 2. So earlier it was 0 and 9, and now it is 0 and 18. Okay, all right. So it should not be accurate. Coordinate should matter. So it should be right. Coordinate should be right. And the last question is, when fx is x square, that is like this, and we put it f within the bracket, that is minus x, then what happen if you put minus x inside? So reflection of original curve along y-axis, so it will be reflection along y axis. Okay, so and when fx is like this, that is minus fx, so reflection along x-axis, so reflection along x-axis. Okay, so if this is curve, I quickly explain. If this curve is passing from, suppose, minus 2 and 2, so minus 2 and 2, so minus fx graph will be, it will be reversed. Okay, reflection along x-axis, so it was 0 4, suppose, now it will be 0 4. Okay, and this is minus 2 and this is 2. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and in this case along y-axis, so reflection along y-axis, it will remain the same, so you will get the same thing, and here it will get reversed. Yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll do some more exam question in next video. Thank you, goodbye.